Oi, wake up, Lee. Reese's? Lily? Layla. Amelia? Amelia. What you doing, Amelia? What you doing, Amelia? Amelia? What you doing? Woof. Oh, you're gonna look at me like that. Love you. Layla, you look so depressed right now. Lily, where'd you go? Lily, are you under the bed? There you are. Hi, Lily. What are you doing under the bed? Layla, she's crazy. Reese's. What are you doing at my door? Reese. What, Layla? Do I do that to you a lot? Did you just lick my side? You little shit. You're a turd sometimes. Does that feel good, Layla? Oh, yep. Yeah. Now, Amelia, she used to bark at me all the time. However, she turned into the one that would bark at me all the time to the one that likes to clean my beard and clean my hair and just clean me in general. She recognizes me as the leader of the pack, and she's looking at me because she thinks that she's in trouble, but she's not. Amelia always thinks that she's in trouble, but that's because I do this. Watch. Okay. Amelia, what are you doing? Amelia. Yeah, I love you, Amelia. That one's my puppy. Reese's. What are you doing? Reese. Why do you just ignore me? Lee, he's ignoring me. Don't look at me with that smile. I see that smile. Put my fan on. Jesus, that was blinding. That's totally not a stick of Old Spice over there. Million puppies. Those are crazy. I got like 7 masks. Well, that's actually inaccurate. I got like 3, you know. One's right there. One, I think, is in that jacket right there. And then, oh, my Domino's one. One I got from when I was working at Domino's for a part-time job to bring in extra money, because being a YouTuber with like 40 subscribers, that does not pay well at all. I mean, like, it doesn't even pay. I mean, why wouldn't I get paid? I'm just working so damn hard with YouTube that I did get a part-time job at Domino's. Dogs. Leases. I'm just zooming in. That's too blurry for my skin. Layla, I love you. Leases. Hey! Hi, Amelia. Hi, Amelia. Hi, Amelia. Reese! I mean, fuck. Lee! You stop your whining right now. No, this is a handsome boy. Hey, get back here. Roll back over. Wait a minute. Why are you sweating your ass? Dude, you are sweating. Whoa, roll. Roll. Got one. I think I 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 got one. Nope, nope. That's no. Damn, these fleas are fast. Damn, I can't even get it. I can't get it at all. Hey, you gonna just stand over there, Lee, or are you gonna come fucking help get these fleas off my dog? I know, I have fleas too. It's so sad. Luckily, we're doing a deep cleaning of we're doing a flea deep clean today. That's why since they're deep cleaning the living room and the kitchen, I have to have the dogs in here. And then they're gonna put them outside, or you're gonna have flea baths. Oh my god, Amelia. Those assholes. You got fleas on my ID. On my school ID. They were on the back of this ID. And then they like jumped off as I grabbed the ID. That's fucking stupid. I look so... Damn, why can't you like see this shit? I look so fucking depressed. I mean, I was completely pissed in general that I actually had to go to Web City. Don't even try it, Lee. I scared you with that for a reason. Amelia, is life giving you lemons? It's given me a lot of lemons. Boop. Look at handsome baby. You're growing. I mean, I haven't actually had you on my YouTube channel in a while, so you're a lot bigger than you were last time. I actually haven't really put Layla on my YouTube channel since 2018, but still. Oh, do you like that, Layla? It was like May of 2018. That was the last time I ever actually... Oh, you gonna look at me? You gonna look at me, Layla? Layla? I do not mean to shake the camera. I just mean to shake Layla. But it's kind of hard to do that without shaking the whole entire bed, which is shaking the camera. Oh, there we go. Oh, really, Layla? Oh. Look at you. You're so beautiful. I'll give you a kiss. Oh, Layla. Stretch, Layla. Oh. What are you doing? What are you gonna do now, huh? What are you gonna do now? I love you. Oh, Layla. You're staring at me. I love you. Layla! Get him. Get him, Layla. You stop whining about shit. Layla. You were laying right here. Uh-oh. Here it comes. I guess it's time. Can we park for a minute?